Hey class, welcome to chapter 12. This is a really important chapter in the book. I've been looking forward to it for a while. I knew it was coming. And as you know, I'm reading this through the first time with you right now, and I read it, and there's a lot of good stuff in here. What I want to do is I don't want to rob you of discovering this chapter, so I'm going to talk about it a little bit, and I'm going to, as usual, set you off. At the end of the last chapter, we see Dimmesdale leave, and he has an idea, and whether it's a good or bad idea, it sets up the rest of the book, the rest of the chapter, and in some ways actually the rest of the book. He decides to go down to the same platform where Hester experienced all that shame earlier in the book, right? And he's going to go down, and it's dark at first, so nobody can see him. We have some beautiful lines here. We have a contrast between remorse and cowardice. We have a discussion about whether or not it's right to wait to confess sins again. But perhaps most interestingly, we have some symbols, and we have some people come into the story again. And so, despite him going out by himself, Dimmesdale is going to meet some people on that platform, okay? And I want you to go through, and I want you to find those things. And once again, I want you to download this PDF. Hopefully you've already done this. And I want you to just pay attention to the questions on the side and answer them. I think it's going to be a major part of how we're going to go through this, because the questions do a good job of giving you an indication of where there's something important, okay, to understand, but not giving you the answers. I really want you to look for the symbols. I want you to think about the people that Dimmesdale comes in contact with, or almost comes in contact with, in this chapter. And I want you to think about what this means moving forward for the story. Especially relevant is his discussion with the little Pearl, in my opinion. Pearl is incredibly important to this chapter. Her discussion with Dimmesdale is very important, so pay special attention to that. Okay, that's all I'm going to give you for this chapter. I think you guys can handle it. There's enough questions here on the sides. You guys can get enough help. Okay, make sure you annotate so that you can find something if you need to on a quiz. But that's kind of what we're looking for you to do. All right, that's it for chapter 12. Thanks. Bye.